When the dog ain't on the truck, he's probably getting treats.
Well, she's at the house. It'll take her 10 minutes to get here. She wants to know if I can give her a ride home.
He's not just walking around. He was busy selling stuff. Now he needs my help. Yuck! Let me pull out the used bin. Idea. That's what I'm thinking. Stay. Let's get the part number. Come on. Stop. So we've made some room in here today. We sold this box out of here, and that's kind of good news because Monday we have a repo to do, so that's a double bank, so that's gonna go right in that spot there. Also Monday we have our monthly meeting, so I'm gonna have a bunch of new stuff to be able to show you coming right away. So you're gonna see it here first. So it's looking kind of empty. You got this big hole up front, and it gets a little messy because we got to start stacking things on top of each other. Since we're starting to get stuff stacked up here, it's probably we're a day or two away from just having to go through and reset everything, get things where they need to be, and get them back up on the shelves off the floor. Just makes it for a better experience for when the guys come on here and they're looking for stuff. I can see some of my sockets are kind of getting out of order again. Just want to make everything look nice and be efficient so that we can find the stuff and not have to spend a bunch of time looking for it. So project for tonight is my garage door opener came off the wall. I just got it held up there with a ratchet strap or two. We gotta get that reattached so we can start using this garage door opener. This freaking door is huge and it's heavy to open and it lets all my heat out. Then we gotta get rid of all this cardboard, so I'm on my way to go get some scaffolding. We're gonna get this bad boy fixed today. Looks like my friends from UPS were here today. All kinds of fun stuff. We'll crack this open, see what's inside.